I am in Rome, Italy. I found this beautiful fountain.
Coming from India, where in India?
Bombay. I've heard a lot about pickpockets and stuff. I have gotten this fettuccine pasta.
Deep.
Okay, I don't like it. I miss my Swiggy, Zomato, Blinkit, all of it. Hey you guys, what's up? So if you don't know who I am, hi, my name is Mansi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is, I think, the third vlog of me traveling in Europe, and we are at the Santorini airport right now and we are flying to our respective destinations. छोटी सी फ्लाइट है, उड़ते पता चला बुक नीचे लग गई फ्लाइट की। जानवी जा रही है बैक टू इंडिया। सैड गाइस, आएगा व्लॉग बहुत बोरिंग होगा आपका मानसी के साथ। वो भी है, नहीं जस्ट मानसी। सो आई एम फ्लाइंग टू रोम। इसके बाद हमारी अलग अलग फ्लाइट है। बहुत ठंड है बाप रे। But yeah, I'll see you once I land. So we have finally landed in Rome and that's Carlo driving us to the location today. This is the car that we are going in. It's a very huge one. Oh my god, मेरे अकेले के लिए इतना बड़ी गाड़ी क्यों लाई है? मैं क्या करूँगी इसमें? But anyway, the weather is super nice. Kind of similar to Greece actually. I think this will be much more pleasant. But yeah, I'll see you once I'm at the location.
Elevator.
Okay, are there no lights here?
No, the lights during the evening.
Evening
Yeah,
there are lights. Okay, perfect. Okay. Just learning how to use the elevator. बहुत छोटी सी है, तो she is coming by stairs. Oh, very cute elevator. Yeah, I like it, but very inconvenient. Oh wow, it's beautiful.
Welcome. This is your apartment.
Love the light. So cute. You guys, I am in Rome, Italy. I just checked into my Airbnb, which is literally so beautiful. She gave me a very long rundown. उसमें से आधा तो मेरे सर के ऊपर से गया है, but I have it recorded, so I can always look back if I have any doubt. This Airbnb is better than what I had expected. It looks better than the pictures, and it is so clean, so beautiful, so much light. It's amazing. Let me just show you. This is where you enter from, and this is the overview. मेरे luggages ignore करो. We have a nice little sofa here. Just so much light, yaar. I love it already. And we have a cute little balcony. Just overlooks this neighborhood. How nice. And of course blinders है, so that's good. This is some heating situation जो मुझे भी नहीं पता था. I was very confused how this works. But she said कि ये दिन में 2 बार heat होता है. I have a cute little dining area. This is my kitchen. क्या cute है यार. I wanna live here. They have a mocha pot. I only drink mocha pot coffee at home, so maybe I can make यहाँ पे. I'm so happy with this. Some really beautiful cutlery and everything. A microwave which is also very helpful. Fridge, mini fridge जहाँ पे they have left a little wine for me and water, which is so nice. Beautiful view. And ये है मेरा bed, मेरा bedroom, which is, I love that it is like, you know, see-through during the daytime because it just makes the room look so much bigger. And यहाँ पे छोटू सा TV है. I don't know how they've managed to do this layout because it's genius, honestly. Then this is my bed with cute little chair which is gonna freak me out, तो मैं इसको शायद इसके ऊपर बहुत सी चीजें रख के कवर कर दूंगी. ये भी blinders है यहाँ पे, so this will be taken down so that I can sleep peacefully. They have left cute little chocolates for me on the bed. This is the bathroom. This has this light जो change होती है, I think. Yep, चेंज होती है. सो आई थिंक द मिरर हीट्स अप और समथिंग, बट ये एंटी फॉग मिरर है. एंड ये पता नहीं क्या है. हम एक ही टॉयलेट यूज करते हैं. दिस इज द शावर. सो मॉडर्न, सो ब्यूटिफुल. ये भी थैंकफुली क्लोज होता है क्योंकि मैंने ये एयरबीएनबी पिक्चर्स में देखा था. आई वाज अ बिट वरीड. It's very windy and I was a bit worried कि how am I supposed to do my business with this open windows. वहाँ पे सामने भी दूसरों की windows है, but ये close होता है, so that's convenient. So I'm extremely tired. बहुत बातें कर ली, बहुत long flight लिए. 2 flights लिए मैंने. I've been up since 3 AM and now it is 2:33 PM. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि I just want to take a quick little shower, but I'm also getting a bit hungry. मुझे पता नहीं क्या करना है. I'll just take some time and figure what I should do. just walked around the block and got mushroom pizza. Looks like a local place, not sure, but yeah. Ciao! So this is their place. You can scan it, and they have amazing pizza. Love it. Love from India.
Thank you so much.
So मैंने थोड़ी बहुत shopping करी है. I got 2 pair of heels, very beautiful heels for almost 4,000 to 5,000, which I think is a great deal. There was a sale going on, so I got that. And while I was on my way walking to my Airbnb, I found this beautiful fountain. It is like a circle between 4 roads, and I thought I'll just sit here, drink my Coke, and maybe find a coffee and have little coffee, but then head back to my Airbnb because my phone battery is almost gone, and that's not a good idea to be with your phone switched off in a random city. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit here for 5 minutes, hopefully grab coffee, and then head back to my Airbnb. It is just 5 minutes more walking, so yeah, this is so nice. I feel very good. गाइस, ग्रीस के ठंड के वजह से मैं इटली की ठंड से अभी इम्यून हो चुकी हूँ. ऐसे नहीं कि ठंड नहीं है, इट इज़ कोल्ड, बट आई जस्ट फील कि ग्रीस में इतनी ठंड थी दैट नाउ आई एम जस्ट लाइक या दिस इज़ व्हाटएवर आई कैन डू इट. बट इसके बाद पेरिस में जाने के बाद इट्स गोइंग टू बी गेम ओवर फॉर मी बिकॉज पेरिस इज़ एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड. It's raining and it is windy and it's gloomy, it's cold. Yeah, but I think Italy cold I can handle. It was just super windy in the evening, so I was like, but right now in this park it's so nice. I'm someone who cannot even handle like 25 temperature of AC cold, so I'm proud of myself. Just found this beautiful church on my way to the Airbnb. क्या pretty है यार ये, wow. I don't know if you are allowed to go in. I'll talk to my Airbnb host and figure, but beautiful. Hi guys, so now it's a day 2. I got ready. I mean, I had to do a shoot. तो shoot किया मैंने, then I went down, had little breakfast and did some editing. Almost 1.5 hours चला गया मेरा in editing and working. I could not even finish my croissant, although it was amazing. It was yummy. So now I've just headed down, explored my neighborhood and see what I can find. आज धूप नहीं है, so it is very cold. I am not too happy about the cold क्योंकि मुझे लगा कि oh it's so nice and sunny when I stepped down. So ठंड नहीं होगी तो मैंने थर्मल नहीं पहने, but अब तो ठंड लग रही है. I want to go to a supermarket and stock up like some food, basic bread, eggs, so that I can, you know, cook something when I'm hungry. Because last night I was very hungry and did not want to step down for dinner, so I could have done that. But मेरे पास कुछ था नहीं. I have literally not even got like any pajamas to sleep in. I've been sleeping in my thermals for the last 6 days, which is not very nice because I'm also wearing them the entire day and even while sleeping. So wash तो हो नहीं रहा है. So I wanna get like some sleeping basic clothes and like t-shirt because I've also gotten only one t-shirt. मैं इतनी थकान क्यों हो रही है? I think it's because of the cold. But yeah, this park is so pretty. But why is it so gloomy today? पेरिस तो इससे भी ज़्यादा ग्लूमी होने वाला है इसके बाद, बिकॉज पेरिस में तो बारिश गिर रही है. बट लुक हाउ नाइस दिस लुक्स. दिस इज माई व्यू राइट नाउ. वेरी वेरी प्रीटी. आज मेरे पास पावर बैंक है तो मेरे को कुछ टेंशन नहीं है. ओह लुक एट दिस. आई डोंट नो व्हाट दिस इज. आई थिंक दिस इज अ रिवर. ओह या दिस इज अ रिवर. मेरे को यहाँ पे आना था. गूगल मैप्स पे वॉकिंग एंड इट शोज यू लाइक 30 मिनट्स 33 मिनट्स. आपको लगता है कि ओह माय गॉड 33 मिनट्स कौन चलेगा, बट ऑनेस्टली वंस यू स्टार्ट वॉकिंग इतना कुछ लगता नहीं है बिकॉज आई थिंक आई कुड ईजिली वॉक लाइक फॉर एन आवर और 2 ऑल्सो एंड नॉट बी बॉदर्ड. इट्स सो ब्यूटिफुल, सो नाइस. मेरे हाथ शेक कर रहे हैं, डोंट माइंड. Guys, I have a feeling that it's going to rain. Sunlight आ रही जा रही है. I felt a few droplets. Just hope it doesn't rain. Also, मेरा sinus शायद थोड़ा trigger हो गया है while walking all the way till here. I was wearing earphones, so I thought maybe earphones will, you know, conceal the wind, but it did nothing. My ears and everything just started hurting like crazy. They still are. That's why I wore this. I'm so glad I carried this. वरना तो problem हो जाता. There are a lot of nice stores on the street, but pata nahi, nothing that's catching my attention. I see a diesel store. I might check that out. Spent almost 1 hour in that shoe store and bought 3 pairs. I bought new boots. मेरे ओल्ड वाले बूट्स को मैंने टाटा बाय बाय कर दिया बिकॉज दे वर लाइक फॉलिंग अपार्ट. आई एम वेरी क्लोज टू द ट्रेवी फाउंटेन. देयर आर सच नाइस ब्रांड्स हियर. देयर इज यूनिक्लो, देयर इज मैंगो. बट लुक्स वेरी कूल. मैंने इसको पिक्चर्स में देखा है बट आई हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट दिस इज. ट्रेवी फाउंटेन उधर है. एंड अभी थोड़ी धूप निकल आई है तो मुझे थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है, फीलिंग मच बेटर. It's a nice. Let me see if there's a spot where I can just sit here and chill thoda. The people at the shoe store were so nice. They let me keep all my bags there क्योंकि मैंने बहुत shopping की थी. But I'm glad they allowed me to keep the सामान. So now I can just walk around hands free and do some more shopping. मैं अपने बैग को ऐसे गार्ड करके चल रही हूँ because I don't want to take a risk. I've heard a lot about pickpockets and stuff. Although I want to eat and drink. What is this place? Looks good. Let's go. This shop has a lot of options. We have pizza. We have different type of pasta. I haven't tried pasta in Italy yet, so I can try. And this also looks like a very local place. Let's see. Very cute चीज़ है यार. इधर तो एकदम मस्त लग रहा है. They also have gelato. I haven't tried gelato yet, but मेरे में हिम्मत नहीं हो रही है gelato try करने की. I'm trying to go to as many local places that I can to, which looks like थोड़ा local and very, you know, not touristy. With a lot of English menu highlights and everything. So because I think I'll get to try the authentic taste only in these places. I have gotten this fettuccine pasta. It is mushroom and something else. It's veg. So yeah, इसमें beef pork है. This is also just tomato. I wish I could get like both, but I just got this for now. The pasta is a little dry. I was expecting it to be more flavorful, like the pizza that I tried yesterday, but that's okay because I think this is a different kind of pasta which is supposed to be dry, but मैंने oregano, salt सब डाल के उसको एकदम बना दिया. So it's so messy to eat. Oh my god. This is the famous Trevi fountain. I knew that winters में under maintenance होती है, so I was prepared for this to happen. Imagine coming all the way to Italy and only thing you see is the construction. A little sad, but I'm also feeling like I was prepared for this. And मैंने ये दूर से ही देख लिया था कि it's closed, but I thought कि अभी इतने दूर आ ही गए हैं तो थोड़ा और 20 कदम चल के देख लेते हैं what's it about. अरे मेरे बाबू को जल्दी हो गया. चलो मेरी इश्क मेरी जान जरा कबूल कर. गाइस मैं हमेशा लेट होती हूँ चीज़ों के लिए. टैक्सी बुक करने में बहुत टाइम चला गया. मैं Uber was not working. There was another app called Free Now जहाँ से I booked a cab. I dropped off my heavy bags at my Airbnb. I requested her to wait until I keep my bags and come down, and she would come like drop me at this other place. She agreed. So we are going. So I have booked a pasta making workshop. Sorry, I'm just still very in a hurry क्योंकि मैं एक तो मेरे अपार्टमेंट को पहुंचने तक 10 ताले खोलने पड़ते हैं. वो बड़े बड़े बैग्स लेके had to do that. तो मैं थोड़ा अभी still catching my breath. Those guys बेचारे are waiting for me there. I feel very bad to make them wait यार. And usually I've realized that चल के जाने में ज़्यादा जल्दी पहुंचते हो आप. And like it's a shorter distance, you can cover it faster. Whereas in the car it's taking much longer because बहुत सारे ways one way होते हैं तो उनको बहुत घूम के आना पड़ता है. If I was in a good health, मैं ये workshop के लिए भाग के पहुंच जाती. I'm just reaching in I think 10 minutes. Yeah, I just hope they are not mad at me. इसका एलिवेटर कहाँ है? क्या ही जगह पे आई. But it's nice because this workshop is happening at an apartment of this chef. There are 2 more people with me, a couple. It would be nice to see how Italian houses are and their apartments are. This is what their buildings look like. So this is the lift. They have very cute tiny small lifts. And he said to press number 5. Okay. Oh, these lifts are very small, creepy, little airy. थोड़ा claustrophobia हो जाता है. Because if I get stuck in this, I will cry. Like no shit, I will cry.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Very well, thank you. Where are you coming from, Mansi?
India. Hi.
Hi, nice to meet you. Please, this way, this way. This is Mansi, coming from India.
Hello. Hi. How are you? Mansi.
Present yourself to Mansi. Coming from India, where in India?
Bombay. Mumbai. Yes.
Okay. I have the other guest coming from Bombay 2 weeks ago, maybe.
Ah, nice.
Yes. I know that.
Let's see. He has a tripod. Yeah. Prepared.
Like you know how to use it,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Perfect.
Am I see?
Yeah.
So we can start first of all. Everyone have to make a big hole in the middle of the flower with your hand, a big hole like that. Yes. And then one by one, everyone have to take one egg from the middle of the table. Take one egg and start to break the egg of water and then open it in the middle of the flower with all the egg white inside the flower. Then the second one, open it in the middle of the flour. With all the egg white inside the flour. Like that. Yeah. Take the fork and start to mix the egg in the middle of the flour. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Bigger, 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 wider. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, take all the flour on the bowl. Look at me. All the flour on the bowl. Yes, like that. So everyone is involved in the single preparation of everything. And Mansi, you are the first one. It's perfect for every kind of sauce. You can find in every kind of supermarket it looking like this. And now, Mansi, it's up to you. Can you imagine what you have to do now? Yeah. Both hands. Are you ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Squeeze as much. Yeah, deep, deep.
Okay,
squeezing.
I don't like it.
It is so relaxing. Think about the tomato sauce is very good for the skin of the hand. So keep going. Squeezing as much. Come on, you can do smile to the camera. Yeah, happy, happy. Sorry. Also this one?
Yeah. Like this.
I'm your social.
It's very beautiful.
Think about your ex-boyfriend and start to squeeze with all the blood out, okay? I think they are perfect. And now please come with me, come with me. Let's go in, come with me. Let's go in. Wash your hands over here. I'm crazy for garlic. Yeah. I show the 2 ways we are going to use garlic in Italy. Let me take 2 big pieces of garlic. This is called red garlic because the skin is red, is a very high quality good one. We have to remove the skin of the garlic. How to remove? Why are you so serious? Because if you have to do something in front of the people, it is so difficult. If you do it on your heart, it's so easy. Okay, voila. And then look at that, there's a heart in the middle of the garlic. There is a tricky question. What is the perfect cooking time for the garlic? Okay, do you want to change your answer? Yes.
Depends on the flame.
Yes, so, well, she's coming close. So
until it cooks. Until it turns brown? No, not brown.
Do we have an official win today?
Yay!
Give me 5. Yes. Open your hand like that. Then take a spoon, put it inside. Close your hand. Close your hand. No, yeah. Clean up the spoon. Perfect. Keep going. Do not stop. Do not stop. Yes. And now the pasta has a perfect humidity and texture for the pasta making. We use 1/2 now, the other half later for the fettuccine, and then start to push down and flip. Push down and flip just to put flour in both sides. Easy. Remember, piping bag has to be vertical, not horizontal, because if you put it horizontal, you have a doggy poop. We don't like doggy poop.
Nice. Excited to try. This is all the pasta we made.
Yes, you have to be so proud.
And then we mix it all together. So excited to eat this. Oh my god. Let's try it.
Bhaji.
Bhaji.
Et attends, il y a mis des pâtes après dans notre.
Hi guys, so it's the 3rd day in Italy, Rome. I have just stepped down. It's around 10 o'clock. I am headed to Castle St. Angelo. I have a reservation nahi, but like a ticket booking whatever thing there for 1 PM. So I soch rahi thi ki I'll just walk in that direction and hopefully find something to eat. Come to this cafe. They have really tiny cute croissants. Let me see, savory में कुछ है क्या इनके पास? बहुत बड़ा है. I can't finish this portion. ठीक है, for now I think this should be good. Mini croissants, very cute. So this is what I got. These are very tiny croissants, like compared to my hand. This is a chocolate. This is pistachio. Excited to try them. This is like a park, okay, and beautiful road, but in the middle of nowhere there is an elevator. No idea where this goes to. Oh wait, इधर लिखा है. कहीं तो जाता है शायद सबवे का है, but कितना random elevator है. Anyway, once again, maps is showing me a way through this beautiful park. I love when they do that. It's so nice. But yeah, all the brands are very big brands like Dior, Gucci, Hermes and everything. And I cannot afford that, or even if I can, I don't like buying expensive items, at least at this point in my life. I think I could rather use my money for something else. That panda is very creepy in the middle of nowhere. बस एक we have Chanel. भाई मैं तो tired हो गई हूँ, मेरे से ना चला जा रहा है. I wish I was more fitter than this, but apparently I'm not. Gucci का भाई पूछी. भाई एकदम ही गलत स्ट्रीट पे आ गई हूँ मैं. डोल्चे एंड गबाना क्या क्या क्या, जा भी नहीं सकती मैं अंदर. ऐसे इंटिमिडेटेड लुकिंग सूट वूट में लोग खड़े रहते हैं. मैं क्या करूँ जाके अंदर, मेरे को पता भी नहीं पूछना क्या लेना क्या है. यार ये महंगे वाले स्ट्रीट्स कब खत्म होंगे. गिव मी सम लोकल, सम थ्रिफ्ट स्टोर्स. नाक से सर्दी जा नहीं रही है, बट इटली आके अगर मैं जलाटो ट्राई नहीं करूँगी तो आई विल बी सैड. सो गोइंग फॉर इट. 350 रुपए की आइसक्रीम. थैंक यू. And I found a lactose-free gelato, so I'm very happy. Okay guys, so I went to Sephora and did some shopping. I also got some coffee. भाई बहुत ही महंगा है यार. I'm not used to buying skincare or makeup because I usually get like PR and stuff, so I don't spend much on like makeup and stuff until and unless like there's a product that I really like. I wanna restock it, that's when I buy it. But ऐसे new चीज़ें try करने के लिए spend करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. But anyway, I got some things from Fenty. Jisoo का one hair perfume that I wanted. That's it. And I also got Fenty perfume. I had heard like that's what Rihanna smells like, so I thought why not get it. And honestly, it does smell very nice. It is a perfect mixture of spicy and sweet. It's very like, you know what Rihanna would smell like, so it's very good. First when I smelled it, I was not so sure, but now that I've worn it for a while, it smells much better. And now I have to go to the Castle St. Angelo. चल के मेरा पैर बहुत दर्द कर रहा है. So now I have booked a cab. I'm like ठीक है, थोड़ा spoil कर देती हूँ खुद को. It is very expensive to go or travel by cabs here, but it's okay. I'm not coming to Italy every day. And I still have 3 more days in Paris after this, so I don't want to like exhaust myself too much to a point कि मैं Paris enjoy ही ना कर पाऊँ. ये सब लेके घूमना पड़ेगा मुझे. 2 bags और कुछ नहीं, but let's go. Okay.
Number 2, cashew e pepe.
Cashew e pepe.
Bravo, you're speaking very good.
Thank you. थोड़ी सैडिंग्स हो गई है. आई थिंक दिस इज द मोस्ट ब्ले आई फेल्ट इन माई एंटायर ट्रिप. तो द थिंग इज यहाँ पे रिक्शा नहीं है और मैं रिक्शा को इतना मिस कर रही हूँ, मैं क्या बताऊँ. आई टुक अ कैब फ्रॉम दैट कैसल टू माई एयरबीएनबी एंड देन एयरबीएनबी के पास आते वक्त आई सॉ देयर वाज अ सुपरमार्केट, सो आई स्टॉप्ड एट द सुपरमार्केट क्योंकि मेरे पास 3 दिन से पानी नहीं है रूम में पीने के लिए. सो आई फाइनली गॉट सम वाटर एंड एवरीथिंग एंड सम चिप्स एंड ऑल. सो माई कार्ड इज नॉट वर्किंग. आई थिंक इट हैज some limit or something, so then I had to withdraw more cash. So I walked around looking for the cash ATM withdrawal machine. My god, my mind is not working. So I walked for another 10 minutes after reaching my Airbnb, almost reaching and hitting the bed. मेरे को फिर से 10 मिनट चलना पड़ा, 10 नहीं 15 मिनट जाना पड़ा. And finally I found a ATM. I withdrew the money. Had to walk another 15 minutes back. Took my सामान पानी वानी and then came to the Airbnb. Literally मैं Airbnb में आते ही मैं जो बेड पे क्रैश हो गई हूँ. And now I'm so hungry. My tummy is making weird noises. So as I told you, remember that my Airbnb के नीचे there is a restaurant. So I सीधा went to them and I was like, guys, food? And they were like, no food, no food. So now I'm like, what do I do? There is no food and I miss my Swiggy, Zomato, Blinkit, all of it because मेरे में energy नहीं है नीचे जाने के लिए. I think I have like Pringles, तो मैं थोड़ा Pringles खा सकती हूँ, but that is not food. And the amount of walking things that I've done, I need energy. My body has no energy. तो मुझे literally थोड़ा down moment आ गया है. And I don't know, I didn't want to vlog this, but I was also like कि मैं तुमको सब अच्छी चीजें बता रही हूँ, तो might as well show this reality also. So yeah, no trip is perfect. Like I love Italy. I'm gonna come here and spend more 10-20 days soon, hopefully this year. But right now I am so done. I'm so hungry. All I need is food and a shower and sleep. But it's my last day, so मुझे regret होगा if I do all of these things. I don't know if they have any Swiggy Zomato type of service. Uber Eats मैंने download किया, but apparently I don't think that works here because it said that we do not work in your region. Hi guys, so I think the last we spoke was when I was having an entire mental breakdown, you know, walking around and all of that. So उसके बाद I just rested for a bit and then got ready, like took a very nice long hot shower, washed my hair, shaved, all of that, headed down for a nice dinner. So I went down to the restaurant which was right below my Airbnb and I had a little nice dinner with like some food, wine and dessert. And I came back up. I packed everything because I have a flight tomorrow at around 8. So I'm planning to wake up at 4, get ready and leave by 5. I have booked a cab at 5 and then fly to Paris. So stay tuned for the Paris vlog. If you have enjoyed this vlog and my Europe solo travel series, then give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I see a lot of your comments telling me that you really enjoy my vlogs, but honestly I would like some motivation, and that motivation will come if you comment and like and subscribe. So if you have enjoyed this video, just don't forget to leave a very small comment so I know that you are liking what you're seeing, so it motivates me to make more such videos for you. I have genuinely enjoyed, really enjoyed vlogging on this trip. Like I think I had lost touch with vlogging for a while, but this trip felt very personal and I really wanted to share it with you, so that was really nice. If you have enjoyed this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next Paris vlog. Bye bye, stay beautiful.